Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. So are you a doctor and you have clinics and you receive multiple inquiries from your patients on WhatsApp, and are you tired of replying to each one of them individually and manually? Then this video is definitely for you, because in this video I will teach you how doctors can use WhatsApp assistant to save time. Yes, now you doctors can also create an amazing AI assistant that is going to save you a lot of time, and this AI assistant is going to work 24/7 for you without you lifting up your finger. Now we are going to create this amazing AI assistant. Imagine that too without need of any coding and programming skills, using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow. Now you will receive a query as we have created this amazing AI agent that is AI assistant. Whenever you will receive the users, your patients' message or queries on WhatsApp, automatically this AI assistant is going to send them a reply. So now if you want to learn that how this amazing AI assistant is going to work in real time, with that you want to learn the step-by-step guide of how you can create this assistant for yourself as well. For that, I'm going to take you towards my screen. So welcome to my screen. First of all, let me show you how this amazing AI assistant for your clinic is going to work in real time. So this is the AI assistant of my clinic and I will have a question. My question is, first I want to say that I need help, okay? As I forwarded this message, I'm going to wait over here for the reply from this bot. It says, I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with? Okay. So over here, my first question is, what are your clinic timings? Okay. So I'm going to send this first question right here. As soon as I've asked this question, I will wait for the reply. It says our clinic timing are Monday to Saturday from 9 to 1 p.m. and 4 to 7 p.m. We are closed on Sundays. Okay. I have another question, that is, how much does a new patient consultation cost? Okay, so I've asked this another question to this bot. So I will wait for the reply right here. It says a new patient consultation costs 700, which typically lasts over 25 to 30 minutes. If you have another question, okay, so I have last question right here, that is, do you provide vaccinations? Okay, I've sent this question and I've received the reply, yes, we offer vaccination depending on availability. If you have specific vaccination in mind, please let me know. I can provide more details or direct you to support for further information. Okay, so as this AI assistant is replying to me, we have created this without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. So now what you need to do is, on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow, and you will land towards Pabbly Chatflow's landing page right now. Okay, after coming to the landing page, over here you will have two options, that is sign in or sign up for free. Before we create this amazing assistant, I want to talk about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here you can share your ideas, ask questions, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay, so right now over here you will have two options. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. I'm already a user, so I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you will see the all Pabbly app sections. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this access now button. Okay, then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing tool that will help businesses to automate their WhatsApp conversations and manage their WhatsApp conversations super easily in their business. To add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, you have to click on this button where you will find two methods to add your number, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn the tutorials of how you can add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can find the links of the videos in the description section below. Okay, Pabbly Chatflow provides with multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flow as assistant, activity log settings, under which you will find multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you will find all the video links of each and every feature briefly explained to you in the description section below. Okay, so now to create an AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow, simply from the panel go towards this AI assistant section right over here and you will land towards the AI assistant page right here. Now to create a new assistant, click on this add button, and firstly you have to name our AI assistant. So for the name over here, I'm going to give it as AI assistant for medical clinics. Okay, so I'm going to add this AI assistant right here. So as now this AI assistant has been added, we have to complete certain sections in order to create this AI assistant. First is AI instruction, knowledge source, source, assistant interface, and last is styling. Okay, let us complete our first section, that is AI instructions. For the instructions, firstly we have to select the assistant type. For the type, I'm going to select it as AI agent. You can select other type according to your requirement. Okay, after selecting the type over here, the instructions are going to be automatically available as these are pre-written roles and responsibilities of this AI agent. As you're going to select the type, automatically the instructions are going to be available right here. If you want to add some points according to your business requirements, you can definitely do that, but I will leave that right here. Okay, next is AI configuration. Under AI configuration, first is temperature. So temperature is a range between 0 and 1. 0 being more focused replies from the AI agent towards customer, leads or clients, and 1 being very creative replies. I want 0.5, that is the reply between creative as well as focused. So what I'm going to do is I will select the temperature as 0.5. AI to use OpenAI model. I will be using GPT-4o mini. You can use other models as well. Then we have to provide the API key which you will find in your OpenAI account. Now remember, we are creating this AI assistant. So this is an AI assistant, okay, artificial intelligent assistant. So I am using OpenAI right here. So you need to have a paid OpenAI account to create AI assistant. Okay, so you have to remember you should have a paid OpenAI account in order to create the assistant. Okay, click on this hyperlink right here to find the API key inside your OpenAI account. Click on this create button right here, and firstly for the name of the key over here, I'm going to write it as my test key. Okay, so after naming the key, project is going to be default, permission as all, create the key from here. I'm going to copy this key from here, paste over here in the field, and you can see right over here, I'm going to click on this connect button. The API key is going to be successfully saved. Okay, so now is AI assistant settings. If you want header and footer message, you can toggle this button on and add the header and footer message right here. Okay, stop keywords. So let's suppose the AI assistant, the customer have forwarded a message towards this AI assistant, want to stop the help of this AI assistant. So they can send certain stop keywords right here. I'm going to toggle this button on. So let's suppose my stop keyword is stop. I will enter the word, press the enter key to save it. In the similar manner, you can add as many keywords according to your requirement right here. Okay, retry attempt. If you want to do that, you can definitely do that. Next is fallback message. So let's suppose this key, OpenAI key, is not working properly. There is some problem with your OpenAI account, or the quota that you have in your OpenAI account has been exceeded. Automatically, this fallback message is going to be forwarded towards your customer, lead or client. Okay, you can edit this as well according to your requirement. Now next is knowledge source. Knowledge source is a crucial part of this AI assistant creation. Knowledge source is a document through which this AI assistant is going to know about your business, and through that data, it is going to reply to all your customers or users who are sending you the messages. Okay, I have created a knowledge source for my clinic right over here. I've provided all the description like about me as a doctor. You can see I've entered the key benefits, support details, policies, pricing and plans. I've mentioned each and everything in the knowledge base. This is a dummy knowledge base that I've created. You have to create your own knowledge base of you being a doctor. You have to create your own knowledge base like this. Okay, so now we are going to upload that knowledge base right here. You can upload only two kinds of file, that is PDF and TXT. If you have a image, if you have any images in your PDF file, your limit is 10 pages in that PDF document. Okay, I'm going to upload that document right here. This is my knowledge base. I will open it. Okay, as I'm going to open it, under knowledge sources, you will find this. You can see it says file upload. If you will find this vector ID, that means this knowledge base has been successfully uploaded. Okay, next is assistant interface. Assistant interface and styling. These two options, these two sections is only used if you are adding this AI assistant on your website. So you have a website, okay, you have your own doctors or clinics website, and you have added the assistant. Like this is how it is going to look. You can see right over here, this is how it is going to look. Okay, if you want to change any of the text, any of the messages or anything like this, you have to do it under this assistant interface. And if you want to change any of the colors, backgrounds, images, shapes, you will do it under styling. Okay, I want to change one thing over here, that is I want to add my name right here. I don't have a brand name, but I have my name, so I'm going to write over here as Dr. Demo Account, as this is my name. Okay, so you can see it is updated Dr. Demo Account. If you want to change this line, the initial message, if you want to add one more message, you can add two 2 maximum number of initial messages right here. If you want this powered by Pabbly to be removed, you can enable and disable it from here if it's according to your requirement. If you want to add a footer text right here, and if you want to make it hyperlink, link over here. Okay, now this is users first message. Users first messages, usually if the user sends it from their side, what will be the first initial message? So I've written it over here as I need help. You can change it according to your requirement. That is going to activate this bot automatically. If you want to change the coloring, as I've already told you, you have to do it through the style, but I do not want that, so I'm going to skip the part. All our sections are now been completed. Now to activate this AI assistant, toggle this button on and save this AI assistant from here. Now if you want to add this AI assistant on your website, as I've already told you, go to embedded and you will find the script, copy the script from here and add it on your website code, and this AI assistant is going to be added on your website as well. Okay. Now this AI assistant is successfully saved. Now as this AI assistant is created, let us now test it. And how we are going to test it? By sending WhatsApp message towards this AI assistant from our number. So let me open my WhatsApp. So this is my AI assistant. Towards this AI assistant, I will write my first message, that is what I need help. Okay. So let me send this message right here. It says, I'm here to assist you. What do you need help with? Okay, so my first question is, what treatments do you offer? Okay, I will send my first question. I've received the reply. We provide range of services including journal, medicine, consultation, routine diagnosis, follow-up care. You can see right over here, I've received the reply. Now my next question is, where is your clinic located in Bhopal? Okay, so I will ask my next question. So I will wait for the reply. We are based in Bhopal and here are some of our addresses. Okay, so these are all the addresses you can see right here. Okay. So now over here I have one last question, that is, when are you open? So I'm going to send this question. This is my last question right here. And I've received the reply. We are open on Monday and Saturday at 9 to 1, then 4 to 7. We are closed on Sundays. Okay. So as now this AI assistant is automatically replying to all my questions, this is how this is going to work for your users as well. If you want this AI assistant to be automatically assigned to your contact list, or you want to assign this AI assistant to few of your users, there are two methods. First is if you want to assign this AI assistant to all the contacts, to all the users. Simply go towards settings and inbox settings section right here. After coming to inbox settings, you will find the option that is AI auto reply setting. Enable this from here. As you go to enable it, I will select my contact list to whom I want to assign. I want to assign it to everyone. So I'm going to select it as all contact. And for the AI assistant, I will apply this AI assistant. I will assign this AI assistant to everyone. Okay. So now as I've added this setting, I will save it right over here, and automatically this AI assistant that we have selected right here is going to be assigned to all the contacts that we have in our Pabbly Chatflow account. Now what if you want to assign all the contacts? Now what if you want to assign this AI assistant to few of the other clients? You have specific clients. Go to inbox settings. This is the name. This is the client I want to assign this AI assistant to. Simply what you need to do is you have to click on this choose AI assistant, toggle this button on, and just provide this AI assistant help towards this specific contact. Okay, in this manner you can assign the AI assistant as well. So now this is how I have created this amazing AI assistant as a doctor for my medical clinic. You should also create this amazing AI assistant to automate your WhatsApp conversations of your medical clinics as well. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for free and just create this amazing AI assistant and automate your WhatsApp conversations for your users as well. If you have any other questions or doubts, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section, or you can contact us on Pabbly forum and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue in Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link. If you want to try your own test bot today with Pabbly Chatflow, you can do it absolutely for free as we provide 100 free credit points. So go and check out Pabbly Chatflow today.